Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the display settings could not be saved on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button, select settings, go to the system tab, select display. You'll find display settings here. There is a recommended value and there are other values. You may try changing these values, but it is not necessary that your system will accept this, even if it mentions that the display resolutions are available. So what can you do in this case? So the first thing is that you can try a clean boot, just in case a software is preventing that. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart the computer. If this does not help, then I think that you should try some other resolution because that resolution will not work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.